Now, let's consider a third example. Example 3, drawing a bar chart or Gantt chart. We are again presented with a table of information which will enable us draw our Gantt chart. We have column of activities. We have columns of predecessor activities and column of duration in days. Activity A is a starting activity. It has no predecessor and has a duration of 3 days. Activity B and C are all starting activities as they don't have any predecessors. B has a duration of 4 days and C has a duration of 2 days. Activity D has a predecessor of A, which means that A has to be completed before D commences. D has a duration of 6 days. E is another activity which commences at the end of activity C, as activity C is its predecessor with a duration of 10 days. Activity F has a predecessor as activity B with a duration of 3 days. And the last activity is G with a predecessor E and a duration of 5 days. Again, we are going to draw our chart with activity on the vertical axis and duration on the horizontal axis. Now let's proceed to draw our bars. We commence with activity A, which has no predecessors. And with that, it means it starts from 0 and count 3 days. So moving from 0 to 1 is 1 day, 1 to 2 is 2 days, and 2 to 3 is 3 days. B also commences from 0 with no predecessor with a duration of 4 days. Activity C also commences from 0 with a duration of 2 days. Activity D commences when A ends. So activity D with a duration of 6 days starts from day 3 where A ends. 3 plus 6 is 9. Activity E commences when C is completed. C is completed on day 2. So activity E with a duration of 10 days, 2 plus 10 is 12. So we count from 2 towards the completion of activity E in 10 days, making 12 days. Activity F commences when activity B ends. Activity B ends on day 4, and therefore activity F commences from day 4 with a duration of 3 days, making 7 days. Activity G commences at the end of activity E with a duration of 5 days. Activity E ends on day 12. So when you add 12 to 5, you have a total duration of 17. So the entire project has a total duration of 17 days.